Hey guys, I'm Rob with Mule Expedition Outfitters, and I'm excited to announce a new product that we're offering. I'm sure you've heard of some of the mule built products that we design and develop in-house, like our awning brackets for four-wheel campers and other accessories like that. Well, this is the new chapter in that lineup. It's called the MULE Mat. So here's the deal. Everyone has personal preferences when it comes to mattress, feel, touch, comfort. Some people like it firm, some people like it soft, and everywhere in between. What we've done is designed an upgraded mattress system for all make models of four-wheel campers. So no matter what truck or camper you have, we've got a system for it. So what we've done is develop a 4-inch dual layer foam mattress. What that means is that each side of the mattress has a different feel to it. One side is firmer than the other. This is identified by the textile that we use. So the fabric side being firmer than the vinyl side, which has a softer feel. This is compared to the single layer 3-inch mattress that the factory offers. And what our customers have found is that no matter your personal preference for mattress, everyone has found this to be more comfortable. While there's a lot of really good mattress upgrades on the market, the MULE Mat is a perfect fit to the four-wheel camper, meaning no gaps, no voids, and your bed platform slides all the way in, giving you full functionality of your camper. This is actually an exact fit and measurement to the factory mattress, just an inch thicker. On average, we see about a 2 to 4 week lead time for these mattresses since they are made to order. If you want to find out more about these, you can find them online, in person at any of our showrooms where they're displayed, or you can even give us a call to chat a little bit more about them. We'll see you on the next one, guys, and thanks a bunch.